Ooh.
Morning, Amy, that's your wallet. Okay. We'll find out who Miss Hera Coles is appearing on behalf of. Miss Hera Coles, who are you appearing on behalf of?
Ortega Tipton.
All right, so let me see.
That's dismissed.
Oh, it was dismissed?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna make sure nobody's here. I have somebody who's called in on a telephone, not Zoom. What's your name, please?
Sharon.
Okay, all right. Bear with me for just a minute. All right, in the matter of Ebony Monique Robinson versus Ortega Lee Tipton, file number 2018-45726DS. That matter has been dismissed, and I have Miss Hera Coles appearing on behalf of Mr. Tipton. So thank you, Miss Hera Coles.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Sue.
Thank you. All right, so let me get your paperwork, Miss Mosier and Miss Beaker. All right, in the matter of Sharon Mosier versus Jody Lynn Buer, file number 2012-37532UN, says the date and time scheduled from an adjournment on a previous date. Ms. Buer is ordered to pay $270 a month in child support. No, I'm sorry. This is arrearages only at this point. And the last payment we received was $270 on May 28th of 24. She's ordered to pay $108.33 a month on arrearages. So we have payment in March of 300, May for 270, and June. She was ordered to make a payment by June 25, and I adjourned the matter to today. So both parties are present. Miss Buer, so
Yes.
you were required to make a payment by today.
Yes, and I get disability, and I'm not approved for the full disability yet. So when I turn in my gas voucher slips for doctor's appointments or for the court hearings, it usually comes the second or third Wednesday of the month.
Okay, that's this month though. What about last month?
I had a half a payment due in June because I had paid in May. I paid for, I think, 109 and 109, and the rest of the 270 was towards the June payment.
Okay, so you haven't made your full 108 payments every month through June. So you paid 300 and you paid 270, which is 570, and you were ordered to pay 108.33 each month. So you're still behind, Miss Buer. So are you able to make your June payment? You didn't make a payment in June.
Yes, I'll be able to make that on Wednesday.
This Wednesday.
Yes, the 8th or whatever the 18th is.
Okay. All right. All right. So, Miss Buer, I will set this over to. Let me see. Do we have any September dates, Ms. Fetzer-Wallet and Ms. Pelham? If I set it over to the date I have of August 19th, then she's going to say that she didn't get her check yet for August. So I'm looking for like the first week of September. That way we can verify she made the June, July, and August payment.
By June,
Maybe the
Okay.
second week. I'm not sure which date is Memorial Day or Labor Day.
How about September? Let me see here. Oh, obviously I didn't write that down either. I think it's like the 8th and the 9th, right? Maybe. Oh, no, it's probably the 2nd. So let's go September 9th at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
All right, so Miss Beer, we'll adjourn this over to September 9th at 8 a.m. Miss Beer, if you make your payments on time every month, they won't make you come back every month.
Okay, but by then
All
I
right.
should be, yes, I'm hoping by even August, maybe September, I should be like right on the regular disability checks.
All right, so if you get a lump sum, if you actually get disability and not SSI, you need to pay off your arrearage if you get a lump sum. You understand that, ma'am?
Yeah. Yes, I do. That's one of my first intentions.
Okay, all right, so we'll see you back on September 9th at 8 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The matter of Dorinda Williams versus Timothy Williams, file number 1990-12245 DM. That matter has been adjourned to August 19. In the matter of Mackenzie Anderson versus Nicholas Wagatha, file number 2013-39610DS. That matter has been adjourned to August 19th. In the matter of, nope, that's not. So we have 3 matters in this case, 3 different files. In the matter of Derek Dusso versus Jessica Dusso, file number 2006-30500DM. Mr. Dusso is ordered to pay, let me get the right file. Is ordered to, oh, he's got arrearages only of $17,736.68. Mr. Dusso was ordered to appear. He's failed to do so. The last payment we received was $103 back on September 1 of 2021. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear. And I'm going to set bond in the amount of $5,000 cash. In the matter of Rachel Dusso versus Derek Dusso, file number 2014-40496DM. Mr. Dusso is ordered to pay $475 a month in child support. He has an arrearage of $18,882. Last payment we received was $119.48 on September 1 of 2021. He's failed to appear. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $6,000 cash. And we have one more. To do so, will it versus do so? In the matter of Linda Willett versus Derek Dusso, file number 2022-49336DS. Mr. Dusso is ordered to pay $241 a month in child support. As of today's date, he has an arrearage in the amount of $6,703.50. He's failed to appear, so I will issue a bench warrant for his arrest. And I will set bond in the amount of $3,500 cash. All right, so that takes care of Mr. Dusso. In the matter of price. All right, Mr. Price, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is in the matter of Zachary Leroy Price versus Carissa Marie Frederick, file number 2018-45489 DM. Mr. Price, or Mr. Oh, well, this is a show cause against Carissa Frederick. Ms. Frederick was present on the record on June 24 of 2024. We adjourned the show cause until today. She was to have secured employment by today's date. And from the court states they have not heard from her. Let me see here if somebody popped in on a Samsung device. So let's see. All right, I have someone on a Samsung. Could you unmute your device and state your name, please? I sent a request to unmute your device. All right, Ms. Frederick has failed to appear. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for her arrest. And I will set bond in the amount of $2,300 cash. So I don't know if that's her on the Samsung. They're not unmuting their device, so you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I have courts down at 8 a.m. for show cause, but I also have them on my docket quite a few times this morning. So I think it very likely they didn't realize they had to come to all the different times. So that's actually on my docket for the friendly court show cause at 10:30.
Right, we've got that.
Okay. All right. And all right, so are you Sarah Suchman?
Yes.
Okay, this is in the matter of Sarah Mae Suchman versus Thomas Allen Kovel, COVELL, file number 23-51283DS. Says the date and time is set for a show cause against so it says Miss Kovel, but I think that's supposed to be a Mr. Kovel, right?
I believe it is, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Kovel was ordered to appear today. We received notice of termination from his most recent employer. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. Set bond in the amount of $1,400. All right, thank you, Ms. Suchman. You have a good day.
Thank you.
Again, I have someone on a Samsung device. Mr. Wood, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, on your paperwork. This is in the matter of Amanda Lynn Wood versus Stephen James Wood, file number 20-47464DM. I do have Mr. Wood present today via Zoom. So Mr. Wood, let's see, we are here on a show cause. You have a monthly charge of $3,145 a month. You have an arrearage of $34,010. Let's see, Mr. Wood contacted the friend of the court back on April 16. He indicated he was not getting paid by DTE as he was seeking medical attention, that he would be notifying the court with a petition. And aside from a payment of $18,062 or $1,862 back in March, we received some de minimis of payments. So, Mr. Wood, did you file the paperwork for a friend of the court petition or?
No, Your Honor. And you're referring, Your Honor, to the petition to basically modify child support.
So, Mr. Wood, Mr. Wood, you're breaking up really bad. So can you move near a window or somewhere? Because we're not able to really hear you.
Yes, Your Honor. One moment, please. I'm sorry.
Yeah, not a problem.
Hear me better now?
Maybe. So, Mr. Wood, I asked you if you'd filed your friend of the court petition.
Yes, Your Honor. I did hear you ask that question, and I was going to ask you: are you referring to when you have circumstances that occur, you can file a petition to modify child support? Is that correct? Is that the petition you're referring to?
I don't know. You told the friend of the court worker you would be notifying the court with a petition. Did you file a petition?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so are you working?
No, yes, Your Honor. I still am employed. I have not worked in 3 months. I have a fact-finding meeting or conference call today at 10 a.m. I really don't know. It's kind of up in the air right now on how my employment is looking with DTE.
Okay, so Mr. Wood, if you don't file something with the courts, then we don't have verification of what's going on and you're collecting an arrearage. So you are like $24,000 over the limit that the Attorney General can charge you with a felony, which you would go to jail because they don't let you out unless you post 20%. So it's really important that you get down to the front of the court and you file something explaining what's going on so that they can remedy this.
Yes, Your Honor.
So after your meeting today, I want you to come directly to the front of the court and file your petition.
Okay. Go to front of the court. Okay, and file a petition.
Yeah.
I will get that done. And my priority, Your Honor, it is important to me that my children are taken care of. So I don't want to have to see you again respectfully regarding this, if you know what I mean.
Right. I mean, you're way in over your head here in child support. So you need to file a petition today. And I don't know, you would probably, who's your caseworker, Miss Stevenson, talk to her about, what you should do. More than likely it's just a stay or something like that until you're cleared to go back to work or whatever it might be. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anything else for him, Miss Pelham or Miss Fetzer-Wallet? I was going to set this out for like 60 days just to see what's going on. So Mr. Wood, I'm going to set this out to September 9th at 8 a.m.
September 9th, 8 a.m.
Yep. And like I said, today I need you to come and file a petition for a friend of the court referee hearing. All right.
Today. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right. You're all set. Thank you.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. All right, I have two people logged in on the Samsung device. I'm sending each of you a request to unmute your device. All right, I see someone's unmuted. What's your name, please?
Belinda Wilson.
Do you, oh, what's your first name?
Belinda.
Linda. All right, and Miss Wilson, do you have, let me look. Do you have a file number for the case you're here for?
I don't know the exact number, but it's the Centrisa White Estate.
Oh, okay, hold on. Yep. All right, let me find it here. Okay,
Can you hear me?
so.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hold on, sir. Hold on 1 minute. So,
Okay.
ma'am, you said you're here on Michael White versus Bixby?
Yes.
Okay, you're both here for that. Okay, so the young lady with the hat, what is your name? Belinda Wilson, right?
Yes.
All right. And you're here on White, okay. And I'm gonna change your name. And sir, on your Samsung device, what is your name?
Michael White.
Michael White. Okay, so I am going to put, I just changed your screen name. Your hearing's at 8:30, so we'll get to that pretty quick. And I'm going to pop you in the waiting room real quick and I'll bring you back in, okay?
All right.
Thank you. And the last one we have is Justin Nash versus Tanya Nash, file number 23-50391DM. Ms. Nash was ordered to appear. She's failed to do so. She's ordered to pay $698 a month in child support. As of today's date, she has an arrearage of $3,526.65. The last payment we received was $346.85 on February 14th. So I'm going to issue a bench warrant for failure to appear and set bond in the amount of $1,500 cash. All right, so that concludes our front of the court stuff until 10:30 when we come back with courts. All right,
Thank you.
thank you. All right, so. All right, good morning. Looks like everybody's connected. Is Jennifer D'Amico on this one as well?
On the San Teresa White case, I believe so, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay,
I think she's filling in for Mr. Weglars.
okay. All right, Ms. Mansour, good morning, Mr. Tenori. Okay, so this is in the matter of Michael White and Linda Wilson as co-personal representatives of the estate of San Teresa White, deceased, versus Emma L. Bixby Medical Center, ProMedica Health Systems, Inc., Maureen J. Nelson, D.O., and Tricia Lynn Dickens, M.D., file number 20-6577NH. I have, Ms. Mansour, you're here on behalf of the plaintiff?
Yes, no, Your Honor, I'm here on behalf of defendants Nelson.
Oh, you're undefended. So who's
Yes.
here? Who's here for the plaintiff?
I am, Your Honor. Jennifer D'Amico. Good
What's your
morning.
P number, Ms. D'Amico?
Oh, I don't have one. Just kidding. Just kidding. 51403.
All right, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Yes.
Sylvia A. Mansour, P79421, appearing on behalf of defendants Nelson and Dickens, Cambridge Center, And then William Tenori, P78761, appearing on behalf of defendants Bixby and ProMedica. Mr. Braverman, who are you appearing on behalf?
I am the guardian ad litem.
Okay, all right. So I have last Braverman.
What was that?
How do you pronounce the last name?
For some reason, you're breaking up. I don't know what's happening.
How do you pronounce the last name?
Last name.
My last name is Les Braverman.
Braverman, okay.
Right.
And what's your P number, Mr. Braverman? Or your attorney or no?
Yes, I am. 37916.
Okay, very good. Thank you. I also have Michael White and Belinda Wilson present as well. So I do have an order approving settlement and authorizing distribution of wrongful death settlement proceeds. And hold on, I just finished my